Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 3rd, and we are going to take a look at the Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decision. Okay, I hate to say this, but I'm not really surprised. Palantir is down 71 cents, 3.61%, closed at 18.98. Post-market, we seem to be even Steven. We have a red candle with a significantly big buying pressure. So the buying pressure here this week, outside of the open and close, is a half of the candle. It's pretty interesting to see. But still, we made a lower high and a lower low. And we see a higher volume here today compared to yesterday and 2 days ago. So let's go see the 1 hour chart to see where this increase in volume happened. Okay, so right here, let me just click this here. This is what we have on the 1 hour chart. We have been following this decreasing resistance. It started November 30th. It started there, but I think we started drawing it December 1st. So this is what is happening. So this is a picture perfect downtrend. Look at how predictable and perfect this is. The big question is, are we going to break Monday or are we going to resume down? That's the big question. We cannot speculate on that. We can just watch the stock at the 5-minute chart on Monday or at the 1 hour chart, and let's just see what happens. If it breaks this, then it means that most likely we are going back up to 2010. If it does not break it and continues down, then maybe you can decide to short the stock or buy a put or something like that. In terms of the indicators, everything is still very low. Stochastic at 23 on the 1 hour chart. We had MACD trying to cross over right here, but it did not do it. This is why we should wait for a couple of indicators. So crossing a trend line is an indicator of some sort. This is a clue. And also a crossover bullish for a MACD is also another clue. And when you have more than one clues that are right at the same time, then you have a higher probability trade. This was looking like it almost wanted to cross. It was at minus 0.34, but in the end, it did not pan out and the stock continued to go down. So keep attention as to what is happening. Let's look at the indicators on the daily chart. So in terms of indicators, so stochastic at 6, super low. RSI crossed over. RSI became oversold again, and everything else is super bad. Where can this go? So let me just do this here. As I mentioned, we are in this descending channel for now. This is the best way to look at it for now. We were in this horizontal congestion, but we broke out of it. We broke out of it. So now what is in effect is no longer this conditions, but now we are in the channel. The channel took over because it's possible to have multiple patterns that are still valid and work at the same time. But now we have a takeover. In terms of technical targets, we should have the stock slow down at 1790. So that's possible that we have a slowdown. And ultimately, unless it comes back up, the stock could go down to this support right here. So 1355 or something like that, depending on how fast it goes there. So it's all in the realm of possibilities. So let's just keep in mind that this can happen. So prepare your strategies accordingly. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. If you are a YouTube member, then on Sunday, we are going to take a look at how this week for Palantir and Tesla affected their weekly chart. So this is Sunday if you are a member. If not, we are going to talk next Monday. I wish you a great weekend and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.